So hey guys, so we are in the next part. So in this part, I will tell you how to connect with other external APIs and all, like Google Drive and whatever we are going to use. Let me show you what it requires to work on that. So you have to connect with Google Drive, you to your YouTube account, with your TikTok account as well. TikTok is pretty complex, but I will teach you how to do it. You just need some, I guess, what we say, their production URL and some speed URL, which is tough to get, and the Instagram API URL is also tough, to be honest. Not tough, but they are very lengthy. You will get bored. So there are some chat models through which you can get some text, and we require cloud convert as well, cloudinary, because for cloud to upload on Instagram, you need to get access to get, and you need to upload your file in some other place where, which is not like Google Drive or anything like this. They don't allow it. You can use S3 if you want. So S3 is already installed with my Docker Compose. You don't need to do anything. Facebook Graph account you don't need. So yeah, that's it. So for this, in the part one, I already show you how to install n8n and all. So after you come on this page, hosting after your n8n starts working, so you just need to go to Google Cloud. Let's go to this Google Cloud, and what you are going to do is get started for free, or you just need to log in. After login, this wait a second, let me open another account which is already running. I guess they updated something. You just need to go to console. Vertex API you can also use, but it's very costly and you need a credit card to get $300 in credit. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to this. You just need to create a project. You can create this in AI Studio as well, of Gemini, but from here you can also do. So go to this new project. Okay, type a name of that project. Do whatever you want to do. You can use no organization, do whatever you like. Just select that project now. So it's getting ready. Go to your camp. You are here right now. Go to here on the top left, and go to API and services. It's not it's not lengthy, but it requires something you have to do. Enable API. You just need to go to find Google Drive. I guess Google Drive, or I forgot. Yeah, go to this. You just need to enable it. Okay, after enabling, you have to go search for YouTube. Just enable all three, and head over to Google Cloud again, and go to this place, and enable this one, credentials. You just need to set up your OAuth first. Where you have to do is update credentials, API keys, OAuth client ID. Yeah, this one. Okay, wait up. You need a test user first of all. Yeah, I remember it. Actually, I did it long ago. I guess you just need to go to audience and type an app name, whatever you would like. Twin supported emails should be this, whatever you put in on this. Choose external. Smart name only available to user within your organization. You will not use your app for verification. Internal, I guess, because you are not a follower. Okay, so external you can choose contact email address. Choose this. Next, I agree and continue and create. As soon as your app is ready, you just need to go to client, create client, application type, web application, whatever you like. So for this, you just need to go. No, I mean, don't do this, don't touch this. You just need to put something on this. So go to your n8n tab and see, go to any workflow and choose drive. See, it's come into Google Drive, and you should go to download a file, whatever you like, but just I just need to suggest to tell you how it works. So you just need to copy this auth redirect URL. Just copy this and you just need to paste over it. Okay, after doing this, you will get your client ID and client secret after created this, and you just need to paste here. So I already did this, and so I'm not going to do this. So you just need to paste client ID and client secret and save this, and after all doing all this, it comes like this. Your account gets successfully connected, and what you need to do after that, so you just connected your Google Drive, and for YouTube you also do the same thing. For YouTube, go to YouTube tab, upload a video. See, I choose this type of one. See, it also requires client ID and client, and make sure you logged in that Google account in your browser, because it is going to log in from that place. After client ID and client secret you put, there is a Google tab to connect, and it will just redirect you to the Google account, so you need to log in it first in your browser. After doing all this, you just head over to a second. You successfully connected your Google Drive and YouTube. And for Instagram, it's a bit pretty complex. So you just need to you just need a set up a Facebook. You must have a Facebook account for that. For Facebook account, just sign up on that account and go to Facebook and just sign up. And after that, you successfully sign up, you just need to go to Facebook Meta Developer website. So it will be pretty complex, I guess. I will tell you all the Instagram login in the next video, because I have to log in that as well in my browser. It's not logged in, so I will tell you how to use ChatGPT for free, because ChatGPT is paid, but ChatGPT OSS is free. First, you don't need to give anything, you don't need to spend anything for that. So yeah, that's it in this video. Hope you like and enjoy this course. So thanks a lot.